I started losing my hair when I was in my mid-20s. It affected my self-confidence and yeah, my general interaction with people. When I noticed that they noticed my hair loss, it really bothered me. Probably a little bit, like going to the beach and just going in the water. Yeah, I would say. I did look into different procedures in different places. In fact, I went to 2 different ones before I came here. Both chains and the corporate way they do it, and it freaked me out, literally, and I'm very happy I came here. So it changed my view on the whole process and the whole procedure. Also, learning that the way Dr. Bolton does the procedure is significantly different in its structure than many of these chains that would charge per graft. I did it with you because I felt good about it, and I saw the previous work that you've done with other clients, and it really impressed me. And for the reason that you're the only patient here. You're not 1 out of 10. It was pleasant. It was more pleasant than I thought it was. It went faster than I thought it would. And overall, a nice experience. The staff is amazing. And the girls are really good at making you feel comfortable. So I had a great time doing it. They haven't noticed I did the procedure, but they have noticed that, like, a friend of mine, I went out for lunch with her the other day and she would sit and stare at me for a while, and I caught her doing that. She's like, "Why are you staring at?" She's like, "There's something about you, I just cannot tell what it is." And then finally the bell rang. She's like, "I know, you got hair again." But it took her like 10 minutes, so she's the only one that kind of pointed it out. Yeah. And she's a hairdresser herself, and she was really impressed. I showed her the suture line, and she says she's never seen anything like it with her clients. I'm back to my old self, which is great. You know, I'm more confident on a daily basis, and especially in my work. So it certainly contributed to my overall happiness, that's for sure. Very pleasant, very nice, very attentive, and the fact that I could call Josh up anytime and ask questions on the cell phone, and just like all of you were very like available, which is great. It's only been 7 months, and I'm very impressed with it. And as Dr. Bolton pointed out, I have another at least 5 months to go, which is an amazing thing to think about. I'm just happy every time I step out of the shower every morning and look myself in the mirror. He's a great guy. He's very nice, very down to earth, and very detailed. You can ask him, and you know that's one difference I noticed between the other chains and here. When I asked them a question, they would be very, short, and because you could tell that they had so many things to do and so many patients to take care of that they really didn't want all the questions. But asking Dr. Bolton is just a different story, because you really get a thorough answer, and you feel that he takes pride in what he does, and is a huge difference.